I'm Francisco with A&S Roofing. Today we're here at Miss Michelle Thomas for an ATR. Today is August, what's the date, bro?
6.
August 6th, 2024. So we're here to do a replacement. An attempt to repair on a shingle. Insurance came back saying that the roof was repairable, so they're paying only for repairs. There's a significant amount of wind damage all over the roof, which I am the new contractor involved in this property now. So I went ahead and did another inspection. Everything's on company cam. We'll be submitting everything in. We also got some above air drone shots to show you guys. So this is the shingle I'm going to replace right here. As you guys can see, if you can get closer here and there, we got wind crease on this shingle. So this is the damaged shingle we're replacing. All the above shingles, as you guys can see, there's no damage whatsoever to those shingles at all. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool to try to be as gentle as I possibly can to remove this shingle and replace it with another one that I have there. So here we go. Obviously this shingle's already loose. Now, the way I'm using the snake tool is how the manufacturer requests us to use it. So, if there's anything like aggressiveness or anything like that, which I'm not going to be, I'm going to be super gentle, you guys can take it up with the manufacturer. All right. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove these nails, pick it up just enough where the snake tool can get in there and grab these nails. Without causing any force to it, I'm lifting this shingle up, and that's all I'm gonna do. Like these guys say, for the next roofer that comes up here and repairs this thing, let's make it hard for him. Alright, I was completely in there. Okay, got you, buddy. All right, this one now. Man, doing this with this patience, it's impatient as hell. Thing is, I gotta remove these top ones. Whew. Pinche cortada. nails are so weak. These nails keep bending open. They're so cheap. There you go. Good job. You wanna come do this, Renee?
Hey, teach me. Eventually.
Eventually, brother. This is just a pain in the butt. Especially when these nails are like so cheap. They just bend open. And when these damn roofers don't know what the hell. The thing is, this one's right on that shingle. Okay. I got you. Oh, no wonder I went to the wrong one. Okay, so still got one more over here. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Ooh. All right, man. Removing these nails was a little bit difficult, but we got them. Now let's go ahead and slide this shingle out. Real gentle. If you can record there, brother, that we still have no damage. As you guys can see, I barely have some damage coming on. Let me go ahead and start netting this, and we'll show you exactly how everything up. If you want to just record from there, from above, they can go ahead and see how I'm installing this shingle without lifting up, with no need to lift up the other shingles, just sliding it in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool to fasten this shingle in. Just lifting it up enough where that nail can fit. right. And that's it, folks. So go ahead and show them the aftermath of this repair, Renee. As you can see, I've been recorded throughout the whole process. We're just gonna get a close up on this. Get that. As you guys can see, all the damage that was caused to the shingle when replacing it. Even though we didn't lift it up as much, more than what was needed for the snake tool to do its thing, the shingle still got damaged because it's non-repairable. So this is a fail ATR. Woo. Let's go.